All right, so welcome back. This is the 10th anniversary of the social media countdown exclusively on the Dutty Berry Show YouTube channel. And so I'm very excited right now because I have a big, bad soca artist all the way from Trinidad and Tobago, the man with the big international song that win competition. I'm going to find out how much money he actually win later on. But right now, if me ever get his name wrong, I tell my producer to give me a box in my face. You come box cover, this is... Right? So here's how I'm going to say it now. Moment of silence. Mical Teja.
Yeah, man.
All right, sit there, man.
You could save the money. You have
Okay. I'm very bad with pronunciation. So you're in Jamaica. How you enjoying the vibe?
Real good. You know, as in Trinidad, we say niceness. You know,
full of niceness.
Yeah.
Full of niceness.
Yeah. So you know, the food been real good. We had some food the other day, some curry goat.
That's it?
Yeah, amazing.
So the first, as you come off of the plane, that's the first food you get?
That's the first food. We got some curry goat. We had some patties.
Okay.
Plus some oxtail.
Okay, that is good. Oxtail very expensive over here. So you have that in Trinidad too?
Yeah.
It's expensive over there too?
Not as expensive.
Wow, it must be nice. Must be nice right here for go sell an arm and a leg to go and afford oxtail in Jamaica.
Yeah.
All right, so I want to fasten on your business now because I found out that you won the Road March song competition for your song DNA.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm running tongue again. Jump and shake the ground again.
Big song.
Thank
you get
bro.
me? So let me just go and tell you this. I am growing to be a fan of soca. I am growing here.
I heard that.
Yeah. So from the first time I kind of jump in is when the artist will sing one song when him, soca does give me the power.
Benjai, phenomenal.
Yes.
Soca does give me powers.
Phenomena. Yeah, because that part, I don't know. Like, I wish I was learning that. Like, when they learn like verbs.
Fully done.
Like, AI verbs and verbs.
Look, me shame. Shame and kill me.
It's AI. But that's his like vibe.
Oh, that's his vibe.
Yeah.
So that's when I kind of really started to develop my love. And so this year I asked my friend Yardman Ethan. I'm gonna say Ethan.
Oh, yeah, man. Soca.
I'm gonna say Ethan. I want you to tell me which song around the place right now. Cause I need to be in the know. And the first song him sent me, of course, is DNA. I listen to me like, no man, the song here shell. Can you share with us like the whole process with writing a song like that?
Well, I played mass the year before, and the experience being on the road, to be honest, it's twofold. So being on the road, experiencing that, we have a stretch where we call Mokrapo Street, is where a lot of the bands pass as well, right?
Oh, okay.
In Port of Spain, well, Woodbrook, to be exactly. No, St. James, sorry. St. James is closer, very close areas, right? And on the stretch, you're seeing the big truck, you're seeing people, and everybody was just aligned on the road. You ever see, picture hundreds of people in the road, all facing the same direction, aligned, the stars up, and that's really how, the first couple lines really happened. And then being on the road, traveling last year as well too, being away from home for like 2 weeks. Coming back, makes you have a different appreciation for home. So that's also where the No Place Like Home came in, and just also trying to celebrate our cultural identity as Trinidadian people and as Caribbean people on the whole. So.
And that's one of the things I'm recognizing with soca music.
Yeah.
Is that most of the time it's a busy wind up on a dance and I have fun.
Yeah.
And you look and you say, no man, these people are actually writing.
Yeah.
Like I've been taking a point of me like, no man, we're not actually poets. Like you're actually discussing things like whether it be like just sadness, whether it be a certain type of joy, just describing the country and just like the feeling of carnival. That is something I realize that you're a songwriter,
Yeah.
And so I'm gonna say big up for that. So can you tell me like how much money actually we know?
No, I ain't getting money yet.
You don't get the money yet, but how much? It's like a money we can buy oxtail and a curry goat, or is money we could have buy one apartment in a Trinidad, like one whole housing complex.
No, can't. Trinidad, I don't know how much is like a house here in Jamaica, US.
Well, you have an apartment where you rent for like what, 20 million Jamaican dollars. How much USD that? Huh? It's a good little amount. How much? Who can do maths?
But
right on. It's TT.
but no, to me, even with the competitions and stuff, it was never really about the money. It was really about like, finding ways to push our culture forward, especially from a youthful standpoint, and getting the music to reach audiences that it usually don't reach.
Do you feel your experience, because I did some research and find out that you do a lot of writing for other artists as well. And so me are like, okay then.
You've been talking.
Yeah, man. I have to learn some stuff, man. And so I'm just like, all right, no, you have this big hit now. Is there a lot of pressure now, because basically you solidify yourself as somebody to watch for the coming years? Is this a lot of pressure, and how are you gonna handle it?
Well, to me, I mean, I don't really feel pressure or pressured in any way, because my entire mission has always been to make great music, whether I am the songwriter behind the song or the producer or the artist. It's just about making good music to me. And
You're ambassador right now. You hear that? You must speak like a true ambassador of Trinidad and Tobago. So no more if you come tell the viewers them out there. You've experienced Trinidad Carnival. Share with us, like, what is the vibe like and the authenticity that you get once you're there celebrating?
Truly gives an ocean of love. And I think with Trinidad Carnival, we don't care who you are, what you are. We embrace everybody for who they are. So that's why I said freedom and with DNA, because on the road for Carnival, you are free. That is what Carnival is for us as Trinidadian people.
It's a safe space,
In this new modern world, it's a safe space. So if you identify as, whatever you want to identify, you could be on the road. Like on the road, you see a man in a for like juvie and stuff, you'll see them coming out in like a nurse.
I see the feathers.
Nurse outfit. Or like you see people that's expressing their individuality, and that's really what it is about.
That is something that I definitely like. When I went there in 2019, just before the pandemic. G's and P. And it's completely buck-ups. People, basically, when they have a friend that is supposed to marry, somebody say, okay, actually that the wedding was supposed to be, but then we don't know what ended up happening at the marriage or the situation. It ended up get postponed. And so I was just like, it ended up get postponed. So I was just like, well, we don't pay for the ticket already. Might as well go to Trinidad Carnival. And that's there. So when I went there, and like, I tell you, man, the diversity and the love, the same type of togetherness and inclusion, and just like how people just show up there. Like, boy, I wish we could get this for dancehall in Jamaica. So now that you're here now, is there a potential dancehall collab in the works?
Not necessarily, but we real open to it, man, because I don't know if you are aware, but you've been to Trinidad, so you know, like, we love dancehall and reggae.
No, man, no, get on bad. I was very surprised.
We love it to the point where we actually have like our own local dancehall artists.
When you call them Trinidad,
like
Trinidad,
the K Lions,
we know K Lions,
passed away, but we have that too.
Whoa, Jesus, Pim. So I feel like, say, if you come back to Jamaica like all next year, I think if we try to collaborate with like all a Skilly Bang.
Skilly Bang.
Maybe you'd be home to a Shenseea.
Yeah, man.
Okay, you think you could actually produce something good like a Jada Kingdom?
I could try.
You think that sound confident, man? Like, Jada Kingdom, Shamuma heavy. So when you're not going to write a song, you have to write something seductive.
Must. To me, it's also about capturing, as if she's from Jamaica, I'm from Trinidad, it's about capturing that melting pot,
yes.
So that both cultures could really feel it.
So when the two want to come together, there can be some sort of splitting in the middle.
Eventually.
Well, I saw we did there about slide it on the rug,
When they're up, so no pick up. Yeah, so not only do you have DNA running the streets, right? You also have another bad single, Runaway. Once again, showing off your songwriting skills. Like, can you tell me about the process, coming up with that?
So basically, as I was saying earlier, being on the road, I spent a lot of time in New York, and for like the real soca lovers out there, there's like a classic soca song called Lorraine, right? By a guy
Yes, this was back in the say another research
Right,
again, you know.
right. Lauren, don't cry, I'm leaving. I can't miss this jamming. So I was like, while in New York, I keep asking myself, like, he's talking about his version. Like, why Lauren don't have a version? And coming back to Trinidad, we sat down in studio and I brought the idea to the fellas, to Tano, a producer, and Kyle Peters, a guitarist. And we were sitting down in studio and I was giving them the whole thought process. And I was like, yo, this real bad. And we started to, by the way, when Trini say that real bad,
That means it's a good thing. It's a good thing. Yeah, man. Same like here.
Yeah, right? So, and we started to expand on it and, to see it become and have a life of its own is like real amazing. Because I know there are some people who, they know soca, but they may not know like that classic type soca from back in the 90s. So to see them appreciate this new form, real amazing.
So now, I actually want to hear from you now, like, because you have a growing fan base now.
Yeah.
10 reasons, right? Off the top, because you're all right. That's someone knows, so you have it right there. 10 reasons why you are different from other artists in your genre, other artists overall.
I write my own music.
All right. So you're saying that other people don't everybody write them songs?
No, not like in a disrespectful way, but in a way of, a lot of soca songs have songwriters. Like there are songwriters who would write songs for other artists, and me being one of them as well, like who would
write to other,
co-write
like,
for other artists. So, I write my own songs. I co-produce or either produce most of my stuff, which is also another rare thing. There are probably like about a handful of artists who also produce as well within soca.
No, I forgot if there's something now, because I actually want to go and touch on that as well. The fact that you write, your process is every experience could potentially lead to a song. So even you being in Jamaica right now and you just observing the scenery, that could also inspire you to just say, you know what, tomorrow you link up your producer and it's another song that.
Yeah, inspired by Curry, go to an Oxtail.
Jesus Christ. Wait, that's the next hit. That's the next hit for Road March.
That's 2.
Okay, yeah, man. So run to the other one, yeah.
Yeah, 10 is a lot. I could probably give you 5.
Yeah, give it 5, yeah.
I record myself. Like it's very hard for me to have somebody engineer a session because with myself I'm able to move a bit fluently and stuff. I think the topics I choose are sometimes a bit out of the box.
Out of the box, yeah.
To like the traditional wine, jam, lyrical content.
Let's see, I hear this, but just brag about yourself. I know it's there. I know it's there.
Where's the last one, man? I think generally, my outlook on soca, I try to bring forward, take traditional elements and try to modernize it. While other artists may not do that, they might try to invent something fresh or, do their own thing. But I tend to like take traditional elements, take traditional things and bring it in the modern space.
Ultimately, what is your goal? You're pursuing this genre. Where do you plan to take it? What's your eyes set on?
So my thing is, I would love to see the genre of soca music in a space where it does not matter where you are, who you are, but you could understand and appreciate it, and also feel a sense of, being a part of this cultural identity of what soca music is. It's about being free, it's about being happy, it's about being, true to self. And apart from that, what I coin soca music as now, it's really in the initial stages of what soca music is. It was the soul of calypso. But I think we have evolved the genre to a place where it's now the sound of the Caribbean. And it's taking that Caribbean identity and just pushing it to the world.
Now, honestly, I realize, say, you are not just an artist, you're a complete spokesperson and an ambassador for Trinidad and Tobago. Yeah. And so this is one of the things that we actually like, because what I find is that you have a lot of artists when they enter the space, you can tell that sometimes they don't do a lot of research and really understand the industry, what happened before, and all the persons who helped to really propel the genre to where it is. And I can tell, say, you're somebody, you observe the landscape.
No, and I'll share this with you, right? With soca, every island in the Caribbean has their own distinct version of soca music. So that's why I also say like that's why I believe we have evolved from just the soul of Calypso, the sound of the Caribbean, because Grenada has their jab, St. Lucia has Dennery, Dominica, Bouillon, you know, and Barbados, the walk up and the bashment.
Yeah, there's one of which one of them? Because there's a country where there's soca, it sounds very dancehall influence. You can which one that man? There's one it sounds very, I can't remember, but I was just like, ooh, but somebody told me about that with the islands.
It'll be Dennery
probably
segment.
somebody told me to say yep, St. Lucia.
Well, Dennery segment. Yeah, you know, so yeah, sound of the Caribbean.
Don't worry, partner, you go see thing again.
All right, Mical, so you are me gonna just dub you Trinidadian ambassador, right? But you're here in Jamaica right now. This is your first time.
First ever.
So for the viewers out there, the Dutty Berry Show viewers, I want you to tell them what's exciting about Jamaica, and if you haven't traveled, why them for come here?
So far with Jamaica, I think the people are very like they look like they are not gonna smile, but then when you interact with them, like they really like.
That's facts.
Like genuine and
yeah, man, we have a little face to face. Yeah, like we're not approachable, but then after we feel the energy.
Because when we went to go get food, she was. And the smile, everything is open up. So it was really welcoming and amazing.
Yeah.
The scenery in Jamaica is fantastic. Like we went to Ochi.
Okay, I'm very glad that Ochi got cheese and
we went to Ochi at the Don Rivers.
Oh, nice.
Really nice, like really beautiful. So I think like the scenery and the vibes of the place is real nice. And you know, we here in the carnival space, so just to see, you know, Jamaica in that soca sphere, like it's extra love now.
Yeah.
Extra love.
So now one of the things I'm gonna say, since they're Jamaica, what Jamaicans like, we like to broke out somebody who is a foreigner. Yeah. So we are gonna try to get if we do some dance move, to say certain things. Has that happened to you as yet?
No, well again in Trinidad we drift. We wacky dip, you know.
Wait, you know one of them say, tell me say.
Man, bro, I keep saying like we love dancehall and reggae.
So you tell me say you have all of them dance there locked right now?
Not really, but.
No, because you said that a while ago with confidence, you know.
No, I say you only dance, but I'm not really the best dancer. So
you don't have one Jamaican dancer you master? Come on, man, don't do that, man. Not one.
You see now.
What to Jesus, you must can do this, man. Sean Paul, man. The Willie
the Willie Bongs probably. The Willie Bongs probably.
Okay. See, they're not bad.
Simple.
Anyone of the TikTok, them, the stuff, them.
Nah.
You know,
I'm not really the best dancer.
Okay. So you're fully just a lyricist.
Yeah, man.
Okay, now, so we're going to play a game right now, okay? So since it is the 10th anniversary of the social media countdown popular show on YouTube, right? So I'm just going to fire something at you.
Yeah,
I just give me an answer. This is Jamaican. So Jamaican, ready? Okay. Favorite Jamaican food?
I guess the oxtail.
All right. Do a Jamaican dance that you know.
Willie Bongs.
All right. Favorite Jamaican reggae artist? Who? Come on, man. Come on.
No, that's real tough, bro.
No, man. Come on. We know you have at least one person in your brain. Who's the first person in your mind?
That one person is hard because like when you say reggae, like reggae has Bob Marley, and you have Chronic, then you have Junior Gong, you have Buju Banton, and you have Sizzler.
Basically, you just wanted to show off that you know a lot of our artists.
No, like that's it. No, like reggae and dancehall and reggae is big in Trini, so you know we look up to these guys. So
all right. Favorite Jamaican curse word?
Curse word.
All of a sudden, you don't know that Jamaica.
No, like I know about. But like that's not really like the favorite, you know.
Okay. A favorite Jamaican, well, and you here. Favorite Jamaican place to visit.
I can't say that because I feel like I haven't visited everything in Jamaica.
You need to visit somewhere ghetto now.
Yeah. Tivoli.
Oh yes. You need, if you went there, they're gonna carry on one street dance and like you can probably see somebody jump off a speaker box.
Can't wait.
Landing on one split and then something there.
Can't wait. That's what we call like the ground in Trinidad, with, you know, going and see the people and stuff like that. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So now I want to say which do you have a favorite Jamaican dancehall song?
Favorite Jamaican dancehall song? That's a big.
You have too much options, man. Not one.
Yeah, man. I mean,
I really have too much friends. I don't want to alienate nobody.
Yeah, no. It just that have so much songs that we love. You know what I mean? It have from Sean Paul to Alkaline to Popcorn. You know what I mean? It's a lot.
All right. So now your favorite Jamaican female celebrity.
Favorite Jamaican female celebrity.
Call the name of the one you want to collaborate with. Come on, man. Come on, you know
No,
the name.
I mean, listen, I love both Jada Kingdom and Shenseea.
You're a politician.
No.
You're a
hear me
politician
out,
in the
hear me out.
making.
Hear me out, just now.
No, you're a politician,
Hear me out,
man.
hear
You have
me
the
out,
spirit of Barack Obama. The spirit of Barack Obama is upon you.
hear me. Shenseea Jada Kingdom, but then it also have like.
So you want a Shenseea Jada Kingdom combo?
No, like, yes, we could get that too. But,
Oh, okay, that's fine.
You know, there is, people like Tanya Stevens too, like.
You know songwriter? Oh gosh,
So I'm saying, like,
that's it.
you asking me questions, but those questions are such a broad question. You know what I mean?
You're right, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, you read
I love
stories and all them
music.
something we can tell, you know, like from
Yeah.
you got Tanya Stevens, you know. But no, the
Yo.
songwriting is something you appreciate.
Amazing.
Okay. So finally now, I want you to just look at the camera right there, right? And to tell the aspiring musicians, singers, songwriters, like what do they need to do so that they can get on your level? Talk to them right now.
One thing is work hard. I think you can't get around that. Work hard. Follow that inner voice. I think that's real important. Like everybody has an inner voice that tells them to go left, right, back, and forward. Follow that voice, and just try to make good music. You know, I think you could be whoever you are. You could be in where's like country in Jamaica, like real far.
St. Elizabeth.
Right, you could be from St. Elizabeth, and if you have a good song, they are going to find you. They are going to find you. So just make good music, and
Yeah, and be like him over here, so be well spoken. Trinidadian Barack Obama over here. So, you know, I'm gonna leave now without teaching me some little Trini sayings. I have to go update some stuff now.
Right.
So I know what real, oh God, me really, really bad. I have honor, like that when somebody give on. On. Yeah. Yeah, me learn some little stuff, you know. So now I want you to update me. Teach me at least two Trini slangs.
So I'm gonna give you something real special.
All right.
Bubble. Bubble means like corruption.
Okay.
I'll even give you
The politician. Oh no.
Yeah,
Not say that. No, I might want to interview one of them.
Oh.
So me I feel, whoa.
So I watch this.
Yeah.
Watch this. Somebody's doing something wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, they bubble. You're doing bubble.
So you say you bubble me? Or you bubble the place?
No. Bubble is more action. It's more verb.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's more verb.
Yeah.
It's not
Okay.
like really an adjective.
Yeah. So me can say
so
produce a bubble or X.
We wouldn't say it like that. We would say it in. So yeah, we our
Man,
it's a lot of
try.
past tense but in the present tense. so it's like we say, all right.
Give me a situation so I can put myself in
All
there
right,
now.
you
Yes.
and somebody
Yes.
commit a crime.
All right. Yeah, man, we just rob a shop.
Just rob a shop. We say, yeah, two of them in bubble. In bubble. So the in now is what puts us in the present.
Oh, okay. I'm going to definitely use that. Okay, in bubble.
In bubble.
So you just say it to me, you say bubble.
Again,
I get another one now, yeah.
But I heard you all also use this as well.
Which one that?
TTV.
Me know,
It's a very
TTV.
old saying here.
But no,
we still use
TTV
it.
when you fix up.
Yeah, so we use it differently. We say TTV as in wasting time.
Oh, like loitering, like TTV.
Yeah, you're
okay.
TTVing nobody, and you know.
Yeah, why you TTVing over there, Keys?
But that's so
TTV.
weird.
Okay.
He use horn as the first thing usually, like what's lime.
Well, damn, like, some out order.
So when we hanging out, this is a very, very, very famous thing. When Trini's hanging out, we don't say we hanging out. We say we liming.
Oh, we liming.
Yeah, but yes.
We liming.
Yeah.
We liming. When
Yeah.
last you lime?
Yeah.
Oh, you see me I catch it, man. See me I catch it now. So, but just want if you're gonna leave me now, you have any outer order word in Trini, any little outer order word that?
You see, in Trini, no. In Trini,
This is the Barack Obama.
no, I give you any preamble to understand something. In Trini,
Yes.
a bad word could mean good based on the context.
Okay.
Yeah, so I could tell you something bad, but it means good. Like a person could greet you with a bad word, but it means good. based on the relationship between you and them.
So if me did dance I never know,
So
I
watch
probably
this.
would have misread
So
it.
watch this. So this is a light word.
Okay.
Right? So a Trini to a Trini, if both of these brethren, we might come and say, yo, my brother. Might say, well, I'm shipping, man.
Shipping man.
It's an insult, but I really mean,
Oh.
you know, because we are good. We're friends.
Okay. So you can kind of ramp rough like that.
Yeah, so
okay.
it's universal with all our stuff. Like a good thing could mean bad and a bad thing could just be bad.
All right. Well, that is it. Thanks for this chat. You sit down and chat to me for like a good little while, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yes,
Not a
man.
problem, bro.
All right. So remember, now you're coming back to Jamaica next year when you win the road march competition with your
Why so
number
long?
one hit single. That's going to be curry chicken and white rice. That's it, curry chicken and white rice. Okay. All right. So before you go with this one, if you go and say the my stain, I have to go so box cover.
Box cover.
No man, you have to put in some more energy. You have to pretend
Yo,
say I hit.
box cover.
That is it. One more time.
Yeah? Box cover.
That is it.
I don't
Big
know
up.
what I'm saying. But so what is box cover?
All right, box cover is basically like you say, pretend like you have a glass of water and the water drop out of your hand. So instead of saying like, oh my gosh, you say box cover, Jesus, like you say, drop.
box
Yeah,
cover,
yeah.
wow.
That is it.
Box cover.
Okay. Well, if I have nothing, I have nothing else. It stop.
He's suggesting a throw. You can suggest
What you suggest?
Yeah, like a throw,
anything,
like anything
that you want to add.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know.
I feel like we cover a real thing.
Yeah, we cover a lot, man.
You guys start,
Oh, actually, I feel I find a blood clot. That's probably the favorite.
Whoa, we finally reached.
But only because I know the history of it. Because I was reading based on the line, used to put the when women used to get their periods and used to put it up on the line, and the slave master used to come and say, "Move your blood clot," and then that become a whole scene.
I wish
That's
they
crazy.
actually had like a history for each word like that. Can you imagine like where?
So I can give you the history of our lime. When we use lime, and the history came from the fishermen back in the days. They used to basically put like lime on the thing, and they used to smell like lime now. So I would say, and it used to be there long, and they used to